Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Android Auto in your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, ensure your Android phone is running Android 10 or a newer operating system. Next, connect your phone to one of the Outlander's USB ports using a high-quality USB cable. Once connected, accept any prompts that appear on your phone and the Outlander's infotainment screen to begin the setup process. This initial step is crucial for a seamless experience. Once connected, the Android Auto interface will appear directly on your Mitsubishi Outlander's touchscreen display. This intuitive layout allows you to easily access essential functions like navigation, music, and communication apps. For maximum safety and convenience, remember to use voice commands. Simply say "Hey Google" to control various features without taking your hands off the steering wheel, making your drive much smoother. Android Auto brings many useful features right to your Outlander. Google Maps offers reliable turn-by-turn directions, complete with real-time traffic updates, helping you avoid delays. You can also enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, or audiobooks through popular apps like Spotify or YouTube Music. Furthermore, Google Assistant enables you to make hands-free calls and send messages, keeping you connected safely on the road. Sometimes you might encounter minor issues, but troubleshooting is straightforward. If your phone doesn't connect, first try a different, high-quality USB cable, as faulty cables are a common culprit. Restarting both your Android phone and the Outlander's infotainment system can also resolve many glitches. Finally, always ensure your Android Auto application and your phone's operating system are updated to their latest versions for the best and most reliable performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.